Okay, good morning. Another day, another dollar. More work in the bathroom, that's for sure. So let's get into it. Okay, I think the main issue with the walls been fixed. So now let's get to normal work. Everything ready there, just have to skim coat. I need to skim coat the ceiling as well. Ooh. And also I need to think about the height of the door, because I'm gonna have to finish those walls as well, and the top here. So it's still a lot of work. Oh yeah, can you put that in the pant? Okay. Back to work. Yeah, this is my 9mm hardy flex. Will go on the floor instead of cement. Now, maybe that could be enough to do an edge along the floor. So if I measure that plus the gap under the door, that should be enough. Yep, let's do that way. In my apartment I had something like this thick, but I step on it so often it's a bit dangerous. I think that should be enough. And then we have a drain close to that, or whatever. If the floor is not really straight, whatever the floor goes a little bit, I will put towards one side. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's bring this downstairs, and if it's okay, I will start finishing the door. I will start finishing the wall near the door. Let's do that. Yeah, a lot of things need to think about, and I know my walls were really bad. Yeah, whether you have to laugh about it, I'm not sure. There's no need to. I'm not professional, and I didn't build that wall. I'm trying to fix it now. Even myself, I'm not professional. I can see it's really bad. Right? So that's why I'm fixing it, and everything will be fine. And also, just let you know, it's all been planned already. We're getting adhesive tile. We're putting hardy flex on the floor. We're not going to change anything. I appreciate people still make advice and send me email, especially sending me email. Do like this, do like that. We already planned it. We already decided how to do. I got a couple of people who've done that way. 2 years, more than 4 years or more, and it's no problem. So let's keep doing the way I'm doing it. Thank you. Anyway, but I still would like to hear for advice. Don't think I don't like them. I love them. And if it doesn't help me, if I don't do, somebody else watching the video we may do it. So please continue to send the advice. I appreciate it. Okay, first I'm going to try to cut this to size, see if it works. And of course, this will be tiled. After it will be epoxy in between and tile, so it's no problem. But I need to cut as straight as possible, a strip, which be exactly the width of the door. So let's see if we can do that. I was wondering what that smell was about. That's a dry fish. It's explosion because there's water there, maybe. That smell. Wow.
It's yummy.
Smell nice.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I need to cut to 675 by 80. Yeah, just cut a little bit there. That should be right. Okay, so I'm probably happy with the position of the door, but I'm not going to do anything yet here. I will leave that for last. Once I got all the boards, all the floor finished, completed, I will make sure the door is in the right position. Even I'm happy where it is now, but I will do that last minute. Okay, let's continue with the skim coating. Yeah, the weather's still unsettled. There's a lot of breeze here, which is good. Oh, how you open the door? You managed to open the door? Oh my God. No, where's mommy? Why she opened the door? No. Oh my God. She's here. What's up? What are you doing here? You're gonna get dirty. No, you don't climb this one. Oh my God. Let's go. Doesn't matter if you cry. Daddy needs to work. Okay. I mean, why she can open this door? I don't know. Yeah? How you do? Show everybody you smart. Ah, you put your little hand underneath. I mean, how smart is that? My God. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit of a sore back, so I had a little bit of a rest. And now lunch is ready. This one's been playing on top of me and not letting me rest. But look at this. She's laughing. You have your ugly teeth when you laugh. So cute. Okay, lunch is ready. Oh, beautiful salad. I love salad. Oh, what we got here? And fruit salad, I think. Very good. I'm still gonna get my little glass of red wine with this. That's gonna be perfect. Okay, guys, let's eat. Jam is so original. Look at this. She can open a restaurant, a cafe bar. I don't know. This is great. That's her invention. Uh,
Fresh fruit salad with yogurt and milk.
this is better than with ice. Mm. Beautiful. I eat after. I drink after. For me, it's like a dessert.
Yeah, it's a dessert.
Salad, yay! We need to buy a salad
Bowl.
pins thing to grab the salad. You know, it's like this
And the bowl
and
too.
big, and the bowl too. Yeah,
Big one.
yeah. But nobody's got that. Only Lip Plaza or maybe Gaisano when they open.
No, I don't see.
Wait for Gaisano. Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna go. Cagayan. Just before Cagayan.
All right, cheers, begins. Talk later. The weather is terrible. More rain coming. While we eat, I want to show you the weather here. It's terrible. Surely it's gonna rain. Okay, we've done a fair bit today. Still heaps to be done. It's very time consuming. I just got this side to show you, but I start just about finish this side here of the wall. I need to do the bottom still. The door side, don't worry too much for now. We'll do when everything's about finished. Here we have progressed a fair bit. In Silly we've done some of it. Anyway, so yeah, it's hard work. That's why I didn't want to start the bathroom. Okay, so tomorrow I finish all this side. You can see there the bottom, so I can push all this up there at the back with the fan and everything, and I can finish the door side. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, all clean, and I wouldn't worry about this product yet. I didn't think I had so much work on the walls. I'm ready for another go tomorrow morning at least. Okay, Gemma's done something new. It's nice. Joy World, yeah.
Joy to
Okay.
the world.
Bella's still sleeping. Okay, as you can see, this skim coating job, it's a big job. And I still have to, once it's all finished, I'll have to sand it. Then we go around and see if anything needs to be touched up. So still a fair bit to be done before, no, before Christmas. That won't be finished before Christmas, no way. Anyway, I'm happy. We're getting there slowly. I mean, I don't want to kill myself to make people happy. No, I just make myself happy. So that's it for this video. I'm having a rest now. Until next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.